Hi, I'm Eric Serio, applying for the Android app developer position at SIMF. What are my strengths? One of my key strengths is my experience. I have 9 years in Android app development using Kotlin, MVVM architectures, and advanced tools like Dagger Health, Jetpack Compose, RxJava, and many more. I also enjoy leading teams and mentoring. In my previous role, I lead for Android devs, manage their workload, their tasks, helping them if they encounter difficulties. And lastly, I enjoy solving problems, whether it's optimizing performance, code quality, or coordinating with the backend. What are my weaknesses? I can be of a perfectionist. Sometimes I spend extra time polishing the code or UI because I want the best possible output. I'm learning to find the right balance between perfect and done. Also, my weakness is delegation. Sometimes it's hard to let go and trust others certain tasks, but come to realize it that delegating helps the team grow and makes projects run more smoothly. Why am I a good fit for this role? I believe I'm a great fit because I have both technical and leadership experience. I've spent years building apps, so I'm comfortable on complex projects from start to finish. Why did I choose to apply to SIM? I choose to apply to SIM as a part-timer to optimize my extra time of the day. The remote setup suits me well as I've been in remote setup for 7 years and I heard great things about the company and the culture. Why should you hire me? You should hire me because I believe I can add real value to your team. I have 9 years of experience building Android apps and I don't just code. I look for ways to improve the process. For example, in my previous role, I created a project template, help the development more faster, save time for the whole team, and increase company revenue. I know there's always more to learn, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills while growing. I believe I can make an impact here and help deliver apps.